In this video, I'm going to show you how to clear data validation using your Google Sheets mobile app. So if you want to remove or clear some data validations that you have on your spreadsheet, here's how you're going to do it on the Sheets app. So I have my example data right here. If I zoom in, I have some data validation applied on these two columns right here. Now to remove these data validations, what I'm going to do is to select the range where that data validation is applied to. This is my first one, so I'm going to do it separately. Now, once you select that range where that data validation is applied, the next step would be to go to the ellipsis at the top right corner and tap on data validation. Once you tap on that, it will actually show you the type of data validation that's applied on that range. So we have a list of items or a drop-down with these three items right here. Now to quickly remove this, what we're just going to do is to tap on remove rule right here. Once you tap on that, there you have it. The rule has been removed. There you go. Next one, let's do that with our checkbox. So let's again select that range. Once you have that selected, just go to the ellipsis at the top right corner, tap on data validation. Here we have it. Again, it will show what type of data validation is applied on that range, and we're just going to tap on remove rule here at the bottom right corner. And there we have it. Now, if I undo that, let's say we want to quickly remove all of those data validation. We can just select the entire range like so, especially when they're just next to each other. Then go to our ellipsis, data validation. Just tap on remove rule right here and it will clear all the data validation that's applied to the selected range. And there you have it. That's how you can clear your data validation using your Google Sheets mobile app. Now, if you're interested in learning how to use the Google Sheets mobile app, I have a full playlist and I'll be leaving a card to it at the top right corner for you to click. Also, if you still need extra help with Sheets, I've got a free guide linked in the description below that you should definitely check out. Thank you for watching this quick tutorial. Make sure to subscribe for more helpful videos, and I will see you in the next one.